Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Deutsche Bank app problems after an update. First, restart your device. This helps to apply the update properly. Then, clear app cache on Android. Go to settings, tap apps, and then tap on the Deutsche Bank app. Then tap storage and select clear cache. Next, head over to your app store, search for the Deutsche Bank app, and then update your app. Sometimes bug fixes are released quickly, so check. Then go to settings and then search for software and then install updates if available. Next, go ahead and look for the app icon and then remove app, delete app. Then go to the app store, search for Deutsche Bank and reinstall it. Always keep your app and phone updated. That's how to fix the Deutsche Bank app after update issues. Subscribe for more helpful guidelines.